hear this. Here's how you make the crispiest dumpling skirt. This is the golden ratio. Mix together baking powder, flour, and half a cup of water. Then add enough oil to the pan. Pan-fry dumplings over low heat until the bottom is slightly golden. If you're cooking raw dumplings, add some water to cover the bottom and cover for 2 minutes. Otherwise, skip the water and just add 3 tablespoons of the flour mixture directly into the pan. Cover and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Then turn up the heat to let the water evaporate and form that golden crispy crust. Place the plate into the pan, tilt to drain the oil, flip it over, so crispy.